What's going on, guys? Kaiser here from keyserreveal, and I'm back again with another giveaway for you guys. Except this time I've teamed up with some fellow tech YouTube buddies, TechFit360, Digital Dashery, and Kagan. Now this was a $100 Amazon giveaway challenge. So basically we each had a budget of $100, and the challenge was to see who could purchase the best tech from Amazon with that budget, and at the end we give it all away to you guys. Alright, so before I get into the details, I want to take a quick second to thank the guys over at Minger for their in-kind sponsorship. This is a TV LED light strip by Minger that plugs directly into your TV or monitor via USB. Now this light strip has a built-in high sensitivity mic that listens for ambient sound and automatically adjusts your LED colors. Check this out. Now you can pick this up for $10.99, but I'll leave a link in the description just in case you guys want to check this out. Alright, so there are going to be 4 winners in this giveaway. So to enter, click on the link in the description, but you'll also need to leave a comment below letting us know which giveaway you want. Alright, so first we have TechFit360. Now since TechFit got tied up, I'll review his pick. He went with the MX Master 2S mouse by Logitech. Now this is definitely a great pick. I actually use this mouse myself. So if you guys want TechFit's giveaway, hashtag TechFit360 below.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Digital Dashery representing Team Dash in the $100 Amazon Shopping Challenge. Kicking things off is the Logitech Bluetooth multi-device keyboard. This universal keyboard easily switches between 3 Bluetooth connected devices with its dial control. It's compact, sleek, and costs around $25. Next up is the wireless charger stand by Elzai. The charger has 3 coil sensing areas that provide a wide charging area to charge your iPhone X, Samsung S9, and any other mobile device that supports wireless charging. I was able to pick this up for around $17. I also picked up an RGB gaming mousepad by Elbats. It's ultra slim, it's scratch resistant, and will look cool in any setup. I picked this up for about $20. Now, what says productivity more than a 4-port USB 3.0 hub by Anker? This hub offers amazing transfer and write speed, its slim design allowing you to free up some desk space, it's extremely portable and durable, and for $10, you just can't beat it. The next 2 items aren't necessarily tech items, but they support the tech needed to produce great content. For instance, this $10 mini tripod is excellent for your gimbals when you're balancing your camera, or you just need to use it to grab those low angle shots. The last and final item from Team Dash is the 32 gig high-speed SD card by PNY. Hey, you have to be able to capture all of that great footage somewhere, and this elite performance SD card will enable you to do so. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for Team Dash. Let me know what you think about the bundle in the comments below, and good luck, everyone.
Alright guys, that was Digital Dashery's giveaway. Definitely some good stuff there. So if you guys want that giveaway, hashtag Digital Dashery below.
What is up, people? It's your boy Kagan representing my Nigerian brothers and sisters in the $100 Amazon giveaway challenge. I have basically teamed up with my buddies again, and I only picked up 3 items for my challenge. First item on my list is the Bluetooth Turbine 4 wireless headphones. These are an excellent pair of headphones. I actually own a unit, so I know it is better than most $300 headphones out there right now. Second item on my list is the Zealot S8 Bluetooth speakers that also have a battery bank built in. Yes, that's right, it's a Bluetooth speaker that lasts forever, and it's got a battery bank built in. I also added a bonus battery bank from Anker, and I still had a few dollars to spare. Now, it's the Nigerian way to get excellent items for cheap prices. Like, it's basically how we survive. So I'm not trying to say my 3 items are the best in this challenge, but you know, I'm not throwing any shade to my friends. So definitely get into this challenge, and I'm going to let Kaiser take it from here. Peace!
Alright, so that was Kagan's giveaway. A little overly confident, but definitely some good stuff there. So if you guys want Kagan's giveaway, hashtag Kagan below. Alright, so you guys have already seen one of my items, and that's the Minger TV LED light strip. My next item is the Red Dragon M711 Chroma mouse. Now this mouse has 16 million colors, 10,000 DPI, and 7 programmable buttons. It's definitely a great mouse for anyone on a budget. Next I went with the Red Dragon P011 RGB mousepad. Now this is definitely going to pair well with the M711 and add a bit of style to your setup. And for my last item I went with the Red Dragon K552R 87 key RGB mechanical keyboard. Now this keyboard has cherry blue equivalent switches, is super durable and responsive, and offers precise tactile feedback for ultimate gaming performance. Alright guys, so that's my giveaway. So if you want it, hashtag keyserreveal below. Or if you want that other stuff from those other guys, feel free to hashtag them or whatever. Alright, so the giveaway will end May 21st and the winners will be announced on Twitter. So when you go to the Gleam link, be sure to include your Twitter handle when you register. With that said, good luck and I'll catch you in the next one.